First and foremost, we are honored to be chosen as the host of the Aidia International Student Conference of 2019. I think that this is a good opportunity for interior design students to get together, to work together, and to understand each other. This is also a good chance for the faculty to be the mentors and to be exposed to the different styles of other teachers and other interior designers as well. So with this in mind, we are grateful and we welcome you all to the 2019 International Student Conference.
We remind them always to think of furnishings for all types of individuals and also to be sensitive in terms of cultural traditions. We talk about cultural appropriation. There are things that design may have to be sensitive to the religious affiliation of the persons who will be using that space.
It is always a challenge to interior design to think of the most creative, okay? And they have to be very resourceful in coming up to mitigate the effect of the climate change and to become more environmental conscious. So more than anything else, what I see as the success of this event, this workshop, is that interaction and the engagement and the knowledge that they gain from one another.
Spaces that live through are spaces that stand the test of time, spaces that are sustainable, and spaces that they can hand over to the next generation.
We started off by assigning each member to different tasks, and afterwards we started conceptualizing.
Doing co-working place which have eco-friendly interiors. We have a concept which is Galileo, right? And we are looking for how to design with sustainable materials. And we are going to put this in space with module which is mobile, so we can use it again and again.
By researching and analyzing, we found that it's a growing need for our generation to collaborate. So we are trying to create a space that is good for all ages and is very age neutral.
We have the proposition about adaptive space or adaptively used. And since we've been here, we see through the problem that in Cebu there has so many slum and homeless. Then we are trying to figure the solutions to solve them.
We're making it important, an important point to establish, and we're also keeping in mind the AIDIA theme of revisiting the past, reliving the present, and redefining the future, as well as keeping in mind our goals of equality and empowering all women and girls, and also on the mobility and accessibility.
Basically, we went to different furniture like suppliers yesterday, and we plan to incorporate different materials that we see there into our design.
With that, we derived certain goals and activities and experiences that users can create.
We always consider when designing, we have to provide like a big space or a clearance so that we can persons with disabilities can also free to go around.
That you always be humble, that you be teachable, and that you be like a sponge that is always willing and eager to learn.
to all students who who are pursuing the profession, I mean a career in interior design. As students, I hope that you will be very conscious about what would be needed in the future, not only during current times, but you have developed that foresight on what will be the situation in the future wherein you will create an impact. Remember that as future interior designers, you must be socially responsible. The profession is not only for the elite, it must be able to reach out to all sectors of society. Remember that there are communities who badly need our contribution as interior designers, who would change the environment so that their welfare will also be improved. Individuals will certainly get inspiration when their environments are safe, healthy, and inclusive.
First and foremost, it is an honor to be chosen as the host of the 2019 Aidia International Students Conference. We are grateful that our students are able to interact with students from other countries and other institutions. This is also a good opportunity for the faculty to work together in the mentorship of students from different countries. So welcome and thank you for your stay here at the USC School of Architecture, Fine Arts and Design.